Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sade. If this is your first time here, today I'm going to be sharing with you all what I eat in a week. And so I started filming this during Vlogmas because I wasn't sure exactly what I was going to share and how I was going to share it, but I ended up documenting all of the meals I ate in a week, and I started doing this planning on Sundays. Today is actually Sunday, and I'll be doing it for this week on our whiteboard in the kitchen, and it's been really fun to plan the meals and kind of know like what we're eating every day. It's helped inspire me to try new recipes and things of that nature, and also a little bit of accountability to stay healthy. So I hope this inspires you going into 2021. I know I often, even me, get uninspired, or is that a word? Or I lack inspiration basically on what to cook, or I feel like I'm eating the same meals over and over again. So hopefully this new series on my channel will help you with that. And yeah, this is my first go at it. I do want to get more creative with these and, share the glamour beauty shots of my plated meals on Instagram, but then show the behind the scenes of how these recipes, me actually cooking. I want to do more cook with me's on YouTube next year, but anyway, this is my first go at it. I think I have 2 more that are a little bit similar to this, but if there's something you want to see more of, please leave me a comment below. Let me know with a thumbs up if you like this type of content, and I will keep creating it. And I think that's all I have to say. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to subscribe, and yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I think that's all I have to say. But thank you. See you guys later. Mwah. Alright, you guys, so here is the whiteboard that I was talking about. I will have it linked below. And for this week, I had meals planned for Tuesday through Friday. I think I did my grocery haul on a Monday that week. So the first meal are some taco bowls, and I just used what I already had in the fridge. I had some ground turkey prepped, a can of black beans that I heat up on the stove, and our favorite vegan queso. I will leave that down below as well. This was so delicious. Another easy recipe was this gluten-free penne pasta. I got at Fresh Time Market. And then I'm going to be trying 2 sauces in this video, and one of them is this non-dairy vodka sauce from Primal Kitchen. It was so good, you guys. I just added some organic chicken sausage that I also get from Fresh Time, the sauce and the pasta, and that's it. And then I made a delicious fresh salad with arugula, red onion, raspberries, and pecans and blue cheese. Also wanted to share with you guys breakfast, which I tend to just keep simple and the same throughout the week. Just some oatmeal and blueberries, and 2 hard-boiled eggs. And that's just one less thing I have to think about if it's gonna be the same thing every day. Speaking of everyday, this is the everyday salad that I've been talking to you guys a lot about for the past maybe month or so. And I have all of the ingredients listed here. I just love that salad because it's just easy to put together and really, really good. I can eat it every day. That's why I call it the everyday salad. So up next, I have one of our dinners this week, which was wild caught cod. And I baked it, and it was really, really good. You're going to need some red onion for the Brussels sprouts. Another sauce that I tried from Primal Kitchen is the non-dairy garlic Alfredo. So I made like a creamy baked cod recipe, and it turned out delicious. You'll see in a moment. So here are the Brussels sprouts that I have washed and chopped. Added some red onion and spices and pecans. And then once it's out of the oven, I'm going to bake it on 400 degrees for about 20 minutes and check to see if they're fully cooked, because Brussels sprouts can take some time to really roast well. So you may need an extra 10 minutes on a 400-degree oven, not onion. Excuse me. So here is the fish, and thank God my dish didn't break because it's supposed to only go up to 450, but I did let it broil on 500 for the last maybe 3 minutes or so. And so that is the cod. Just seasoned it with some salt, pepper, and lemon juice, and added in the Alfredo sauce. Oh, and I topped it with some breadcrumbs, so it had a nice crisp crunchy topping. And then had the Brussels sprouts on the side. I did add a little blue cheese on top of those once it was out the oven, so that kind of melted. And this, you guys, the flavor of this was amazing. I was shocked. You see my little dance there. So that is all of the meals that I had this week. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. And like I said, I think I have 2 more coming for you guys, but let me know in the comments what you would like to see more of. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and give it a thumbs up, and I will see you all in the next one.